Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope all of my friend is well. Today, I can teach you how to Facebook video chat. If you don't know how to Facebook video chat, in this video, if you see, and I think you also do video chat on Facebook, your friends or family or any person that you are in Facebook chart, Facebook list, and Facebook friend list. Okay, let's start now. First, first need to log in your Gmail account. First need to log in your Facebook account. Now I can log in my Facebook account. Now I am logging my Facebook account. This video mainly for beginner who don't know about Facebook how to use. I think if you see this video, you can also video chat your friend or families or anything. Okay. When my loading is complete, then I can give you how to Facebook chat. How to do Facebook chat. Okay, my friends, my page is loading complete. Now here you see, here is my Facebook friend list. Is still online. Remember one thing, if your friend is still online, you also your friend. This time you can. This is the part. That's the time you can video chat your friend or any person. Okay, let's example how to video chat. As like this is the person. I can click this person, Robin Ahmed. Here you see active right now. Here you see my cursor. This is a video chat option and this is a just calling option. Just voice call, and here is a video calling option. This is the two way you can chatting your friend with just voice call or video chat. Start a video chat with Robin. If I am click this video chat option, then a calling to give your friend as like my Robin Ahmed. If I call her, if I call him, he he can connect with me, and I also talk this person easily. I do not. This is the process. I can give you the right way. I don't. I don't do right now this video share option because I do not active my webcam. Still, I have a still I have a webcam, but I don't think need to do because if you going in this area, you just click here and your friend is connected with you, and you can your conversation is start when you click this video chat option. Okay, my friend, this is a simple video and easy process. Okay, all of my friends, sometimes I am little bit to say okay, don't be think boring. Thank you so much, my friend. If you think my video is very useful to you, Thank you so much, and keep subscribe my channel, and you also like my video. And if you think my channel is very problem solver peoples, so please like this video and share your friend. Thank you so much.